Machine Learning for Kids, aka ML4K. By the way, if you don't know what does aka mean, it means as known as. So yeah, let's just get started. Why do we need some learning of that? So let me search ML4K, or you can search Machine Learning for Kids. So you can see this first website. Press it. Not this one, okay? This one, IDK. What this thing is, I don't know. So let's press this, and then of course press get started. Now you can choose any of these. First time here, already registered, try without, okay, yeah, try without registering. So I'll just try it without registering. So now you don't need to press this copy template because you're already gonna complete sorry, how do I literally not do the grammar? Okay, sorry. So add a new project. You're already gonna copy my project that I'm doing here. So in here we'll be using the project called it'll be called as a animal sound recognizer. And then this is the project type. As here you want to go press this theme. So this will be a sound. So this is a new thing here. We never did recognizing sound. Could be the new thing. Or actually it is. Okay, so now the storage, you can choose any of these. I best recommend that it's in your web browser because like, you know, after that happens, it's gonna store in like your web browser. By the way, if you hear those thunderstorms, I'm sorry about that because those are like some background noises from thunders in UAE. It's quite, you know, stormy outside. So in your web browser, you got to go press that. Or if you want, you can use the cloud. I best really recommend this. Create. And then of course, press Animal Sound Recognizer. So now you got to go train, learn, and test and make. So first you want to go to press train. So these are the background noises. So you should like try to have some no background noises. I do have some right now, so yeah, that's bad. So I'll try to go remove all the background noises. Yeah, and there I removed all of the background noises except for the thunder because you know they're quite loud. So that is how much I can delete the background noise. Now you wanna go add a background noise from here and then try to add no like sound, just like white and nothing. There, I pressed the mic and then now it's recorded for like some time. So you should tell nothing and try to remove all the background noises. Repeat this at least like 5 times. Okay, if there's some sound there. Yeah, I think so. There's sound in there. So yeah, the blue means about. Okay, yeah. I keep. Okay, so try to make no noise. The blue means like how much noise is there. There's very little noise here and some noises here. So now let me go press this. Okay, there's some noise there, but it's not a big problem. So you should go try to speedrun this. Let me speedrun this. So now there's 5 here. Or you wanna know why do you have to put it at least 5 or more? I mean, can put more if you want. You have to put it like not more than less. So look, if you want to wait, if you only said one thing to where is it? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Well, let me go remove one example from the background noise so that I can show it to you. Sorry about that. Okay, now it's gonna show that thing probably. You go to the train page and create a new label, for example, that aren't background noise. Okay, just only showing that. If you added some more labels and then it was lesser than 5, then it will show like you should add more than at least 5 labels. What actually sounds. So yeah, I guess so that was no use. Now let me go add some noises like a dog, cat. Well, I'll just go use a cat. Meow. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now not a dog because I don't know how to make that sound. Actually, guys, could you tell if this sound is sounds like a dog? Hi, hi. Yeah, that actually kind of sounds like a lion. Sorry about that. So now you wanna go put here any animal. Like you can put any animal you want. I'll add a cow here. Not only a cow, I'll also add a sheep. So let me type that real quick. There cat, cow, and a sheep here. So you should add an example of a cat sound. Like meow. Oh my god, meow. Meow. Okay, there. There one example. Now let me add another one here. We're gonna record it too early. Okay. Meow. Meow. So you should actually go follow what am I doing here, just depending on the animal. So imagine this was like a horse, then you should just press add example, press the microphone and make a horse sound. So because this is a cat label, I'll make a cat sound. Meow. Okay. I think so that was a mistake. Meow. 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 You sorry about that thunderstorm? Okay, yep. Yeah, I'll put at least like how much examples? I think so 7 examples is enough if I want. You can put at least 5 or more than 5 if you are kind of lazy. So now, meow. There. Now I'll add a cow. Moo! That sounded nothing like a cow, no joke. Moo! 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 Yeah, 7. Same to the sheep. Yeah, you can go skip some of the parts of this video. I guess you already did it. I think so. Oh my god. Wait. Bah! So yeah, this is the sheep sound. I'm finished with the cow sound. Bah! Bah! My god, this looks like a chain. Look. It looks like a chain. Not joking. Now let me add another sound. Bah! 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 Okay, there. Finish. I added the sheep sounds. Now back to project. Press that and press learn and test. So I collected these stuff. The more you can get, the better it should learn. But you need at least 8 examples. Oh yeah, sorry about that. You need at least 8 examples. Okay. Train. Let me add the background noise first. Sorry about that, guys, but you should at least add 8 examples. Yeah, I don't really know how to use the background noise. Meow. Meow. Yeah, I guess I added 9. Meow. Meow. You should at least add like at least like 8. I'm just adding 9 just for extra. Bah. Wait. Oh my god. How do I freaking do this? I mixed the cow with the cat. Sorry about that. Let me start again. Bah. Oh god, no, that's sheep. Moo! Moo! Let me add the sheep sound. Bah! Bah! There. I think so this is perfect. I did a little mistake. Sorry about that. So now I added more than 8 examples and one of them is 8 which is background noise. I don't really know how to use background noise, so that's why now train the machine model. While that's happening, there's gonna be a quiz. Wait for a second. Let the loading button, that loading thing go. Okay, there now. A machine learning is trained to recognize picture with a tree. I hate this. This is so annoying. This always happens. So in here you can just go train it. If it is not really that good of training, then you can just go back to project and press train, and then train the problems which you're having right now. So I guess I'm not having a problem. So yeah, I think so. So yeah, let me just go test it. Start listening. So bah, bah. So looks like it's confusing background noise with a sheep. Bah. Moo. Yeah, I think so. There's a problem. So you should press stop listening and then wait for some time and train your machine model again. This sometimes happens, like it doesn't train properly and then kind of glitches. Yeah, let me go do the quiz, please. Uh, Why does this happen so speed? Start listening. So I'll choose moo. Bah. Moo. Wait, I didn't understand. What was it? Yeah, cat. Meow. Meow. Yeah, one part of the meow is like thinking it's a cat. One part is a sheep. They think so. Meow. Meow. Okay, I guess so. Cats needs a little bit fixing to do. So that's how to know which one is the problem. You got to go train it. Meow. And let me add one for sheep. Bah. So that they don't really confuse it again. Now, of course, another train. Just the train. Where are you, train? There, train. Now I'm gonna go do the quiz. Real speed run. I'm not that good at reading. Okay. Which are these is not too good at reading? Okay. Why does this freaking happen all the time? I hate when this happens. Okay. Start listening. Moo. Meow. Bah. Moo. Meow. 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 Okay, I guess so it's quite good of recognizing. So yeah, let me go press back to project and then make it. So what you want to make is of course scratch tree. And then you got to go press open scratch tree. There's some blocks that they'll just teach how to use, which I'm already going to tell it in this video. There, so yep, now you're here. Now you got to go name the project if you want. I'll just put it the name. So what was the name again? Let me back to project. Go back. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I might do some problem with scratch tree. I don't know. So now I'll just go put the sound. I kind of got too lazy to like, animal sound to animal recognizer. So in this project, it's gonna recognize the sound of what you make, and then it's gonna turn it into the animal, like the name of the animal, that the sound that you're making right now. So yeah, let me press green flag. What? No, actually, grab the green flag. Where are you? Green flag. Where did you go? Or actually, you don't need the green flag. You just need to go to the costumes and sprite one, and then go delete this whole thing. And then here, you might want to draw a button if you want, or you can just go search a costume of a button. So let's go search the costume of a button. Duplicate that, I think so. Yeah, I don't really want to do that. So now button is here. So now the button is here. Let me go add the text. Start listening, or what, listening? Oh my god, I have so much grammar problems, and I love to tell. Oh my god. Okay, let me put that here. You go a little bit up. Oh my god, this. How many times have I even tell? Oh my god, this video. I'm very sorry about the why do I keep telling oh my god. I know it's quite annoying. Okay, how do I fix you? No, yeah, I don't. You know, I just go to delete this and then start back again. Fill it with black. Oh my god, I'm gonna rage bait. How many times did I tell? Oh my god, okay. Just ignore about that. I never told that. Animal recognizer. Oh my freaking god. Start listening, actually. That's what I was about to type. Listening. You go here. Yep, looks very, very, very nice. 100%. Start listening. Now you want to do it is go duplicate that. So press Ctrl C and then there. Start listening and then stop listening. So then go to the other place. To the Sprite 2's costume. Press the start and then instead put it as stop listening. Stop listening, start listening. Now you want to do is just go choose a sprite. So is there any sheep here? Let me go check. No sheep. Then I'll go choose, and is there a cat here? Of course, 100%. There's a cat here. I'll choose this cat. And then let me go choose another type of sprite. Please tell me there's a sheep. What? No, a cow. At least cow. Okay, yeah, there's no cow. Okay, so that's very bad. Now, so the bad thing is that you need to go to the web, or yeah, you can just go to the web and then download some stuff, which I don't really need to do right now because luckily I already practiced this, and yeah, I just can just go to the file that I have. So yeah, let me go do that right now. Not in front of you. So there, here the sprites. These sprites are so big, I don't know why. So yeah, let me change the size. So instead of 100 for the sheep, you can choose any type of sheep or any cow which is in the back. So now let me go choose a sheep. What? Yeah, that's the size. Okay, so 50. Enter. Yeah, I think so. That's still too big. I think so, at least 30, right? Now let me see if that fits with the scratch cat. But it's getting blocked by the cow. So I'm gonna go change you, cow, mister. You also gonna be 30. Enter. Okay, I think so. This is quite perfect. It is quite perfect, the size. So there's one thing in this cow. IDK, what's this black thing? Let me go see this. I think so. This is a credit. Yeah, credit to whatever this guy is. Let me go scroll in. No, I don't need you. I hate that bitmap. Yeah, let me go down. Yeah, whatever that thing is, credit to that guy. Now let me just go. So yeah, credits to this guy. Whatever. I cannot read it. So now I guess so. You need to get deleted. Sorry. I know you did all of this work, and this sometimes happen. Actually, I think so every time when you try to erase it doesn't work. Then you might just go here, press this, and then go put it here at least. Why is this not working? Yeah, I guess so. I'm gonna go add it here. What's happening? Wait. Yep. Now let me just go select. Okay, yep. I have no idea what's happening there. No, my god. Yeah, whatever, how to fix this problem, I don't know. I think so you can add this white thing. Oh my god, this is me trying to fix this problem for the first time. Oh my god, okay, now you also go white. There, now could you go in that thing? No, oh my. Yeah, there, now it's blocked, there. I could have done this the whole time. How can I not do this? Okay, there. Now that credit thing is blocked so that it doesn't look more disturbed. Sorry about the person in the credits. Now, here, you should press the green flag. Actually, why do I keep telling that? I should just go grab the block, the green flag also here. Or you can just go pass it on like this. Yep, when it shakes, that means you can pass it. So pass it to that sheep. And now that sheep has it. See, the sheep has it. Now you need this hide block. But I could have also passed to with the green flag. Okay, where's the hide block? You hide. You also hide. And then you also hide. They're good. Now when it hears, so this is a cat. So when it hears a cat, then it's supposed to show. So it looks, it's supposed to show. So I'm gonna pass around. You also go there, you also go there. You also go here to show block. Now when I hear that cow, because this is a sprite cow here, hear a cow. And now finally when I hear a sheep. Wait, oh yeah, the show block came in there looking like it's connected. So now when it hears a sheep there. And then for the sprite one, when this is clicked, it's going to start listening. Stop listening is going here, and then up. Yep. Now where's the green flag is? Wait, no. Actually, when it starts hearing, where is that button? Where did it go? Yeah, I don't know where did that button go. Yeah. Oh no, when the sprite is clicked. So when the sprite is clicked, then it should start listening. The start listening thing. For the stop listening, it should stop listening when the sprite is clicked. There. So this is the whole project here. So now let me press the stop green flag for no reason. You don't have to do that. I don't know. My mind kind of blew up. Yeah, my mind kind of changes for no reason. I don't know what am I doing right now. Yeah, there. So now let me press green flag. And now here, if I press start listening, then it should start listening, of course. So yeah, let me do that. Moo. See, it made the cow show there when I made a cow sound. Now a cat sound. They're now showing the cat. Now I'm gonna go make a sheep sound. Bah! They're now showing a sheep. So now you can just stop listening, and then you can press the stop flag to. Yeah, you can actually press the green flag again to restart it. And when it's finished, then you can press green flag. And by the way, you have to press the start listening, or else it wouldn't work. Look, oh my god, what is freaking happening? Yeah. So now let me try to make this sound without pressing start listening. Moo! See, it's not working because I didn't press start listening. So that is how to do the project. And yep, this is a little review for you guys. So here's the this is the code for start listening. Somehow I went to the sheep. Okay, so this is the code for start listening. When the sprites click start listening. So now this is the code for the stop listening. When the sprite clicks stop listening. This is the code for the sheep. When green flag click hide, when I hear sheep show. When green flag click hide, and then when I hear cat show. This is the code. When the green flag click hide, and when I hear cow show. Now here's the costumes for sprite 1. Of course, start listening. So this is the costume for sprite 1, costume for sprite 2, and then costume for sprites, actually not sprite, actually sheep. So yeah, you can just go download it. Also for the cat, you don't need to make it. You can just go download it from scratch. You don't need to download. You can select it actually. So you don't need to make this whole thing. I downloaded this from Google, and it is the cow here. The cow. Woo! Okay, so yeah, this is the preview, guys. So thank you, goodbye, and have a great time. Bye, and subscribe.